Roof rats, also known as black rats or ship rats, are notorious for climbing and infesting higher up locations in our homes and businesses. They can nest in attics, gnaw through wood, plastic, and metal, and spread fleas, ticks, or diseases. In this video, we'll show you how to identify roof rats, eliminate an infestation, and prevent future roof rat activity from breaking out. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rodent control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Roof rats have sleek bodies with black fur. The average adult roof rat's body is 6 to 8 inches long, with a tail 7 to 10 inches long. Their tails are always longer than their bodies. Roof rats look similar to the Norway rat, another common rat species. It is important to know the differences between the two to properly identify what's infesting your property. Compared to roof rats, Norway rats have bulkier bodies with grayish-brown or reddish-brown fur. The average adult Norway rat's body is 7 to 9.5 inches long, with a tail that is 6 to 8 inches long. Their tails are shorter than their bodies. You can also compare their eyes and ears. Roof rats have larger eyes and ears than Norway rats, relative to their head sizes. If you haven't been able to spot any rats, you can also identify your rodents by looking at their droppings. Roof rats produce pointy-tipped droppings about half an inch long, and Norway rats produce blunt-ended droppings up to 1 inch long. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Roof rats prefer to nest in elevated areas such as tree canopies, shrubs, fences, roofs, and attics. If you find roof rats indoors, they may nest in the warmer parts of your home, like in laundry rooms, in cabinets, in false ceilings, or in other elevated spaces at least 4 feet above the ground. When inspecting your property, be on the lookout for droppings and gnaw marks. Roof rats will gnaw on wood, wiring, and plastic. They'll also take insulation, leaves, and other scrap material to use for nests. You may see tunneling or burrows within the insulation itself. Also, look for smear marks against walls or other vertical surfaces. Roof rats have poor vision and are colorblind, so they often move against vertical surfaces when traveling from place to place. Their oily fur rubs off on these surfaces, creating dark marks over time. When inspecting outdoors, if you find burrows at ground level, then that's a sure sign of Norway rats, which will require a different approach to treatment. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas. We especially recommend you wear gloves. These will help keep human scent off products which may ward rats away. The first key to controlling roof rats is to limit their food sources. Roof rats don't travel far from their nests when foraging. Loose foods in your home should be sealed within airtight containers. Check outdoors and remove any fruits or berries that may be growing, and any fallen plant material should quickly be disposed of. Next, block off any entryways roof rats can use to access your home. Roof rats can easily travel through any opening at least half an inch in diameter. We recommend you fill openings with Stuf-Fit copper mesh. Copper mesh lasts longer than steel, won't rust, and rats are sensitive to its taste and smell. Tighter cracks and crevices should be sealed with an expanding foam like Sealator Pro. Gaps in paneling, chimneys, fireplaces, or roof vents will need proper screening installed. Once you've blocked off entryways, set up tamper-proof rat and mouse bait stations. Since most roof rats invade from outside, you'll set up stations there. When roof rats forage for food at night, they come out of their nests and travel on the ground, so stations should be set at the bases of trees or along the foundations of buildings where nesting has been found. We recommend you set up stations with Eratication rodent bait blocks. Eratication is a diphacinone rodenticide made with real peanut butter and other rodent attractants. To control rats, set 4 to 16 blocks in each station. For the best control, set 6 stations for a home of less than 2,000 square feet and 12 stations for homes of 2,000 to 5,000 square feet. Place stations no more than 40 feet apart. Check and replenish stations with bait no more than once per day for at least 10 days or until activity halts. After you've set up bait stations outdoors, you can then set traps indoors. We recommend the Solutions Easy Set Rat Trap and the Solutions Pro Rat Glue Board XL. The Solutions Easy Set Rat Trap is a durable, plastic snap trap made with a 90-degree arm bar that helps protect users' fingers during setup. Before placing, fill the trap's bait cup with peanut butter to help lure rodents. We recommend placing snap traps unarmed for at least 2 days before arming them. Rats are cautious of new objects in their environment, so this will help them grow accustomed to being near the traps. After a couple of days, arm the traps by pulling the arm bar back until it clicks into place. The Solutions Pro Rat Glue Board XL is a powerful adhesive trap. Simply peel away the paper seal, and it can be placed flat or folded into a box-like tunnel. The best places to set traps are where you've seen rodent activity. In a residential property, these can often be the darker, tighter corners in an attic. Look for gnaw marks, grease marks, and nesting activity to determine the best spots. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying control methods, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Start by trimming away overgrown tree branches that touch your roof. These branches are ideal passageways for roof rats to access your property and are often the reason for infestation. We also recommend cutting down ground cover, vines, or vegetation that touches the foundation of your structure. These can offer roof rats a foothold on your walls that they can use to climb. Clean in and around your home regularly. Take out the garbage daily, don't leave out pet food or water, and sweep or vacuum the floors. Outdoors, get rid of wood piles, rake away leaf litter and debris, and consider getting rid of any bird feeders you may have. These will remove and deny food sources from rats and make your home less conducive to their activity. Finally, continue to monitor for rat activity. Pro glue boards may be placed and checked occasionally for roof rats indoors. After you've controlled your infestation, you should see no more rats caught on boards. When you've found one, you can safely assume an infestation is starting, and you can set more traps and bait stations to control activity before it gets bad. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop roof rats from infesting your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.